Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a 10-minute cleaning motivation. I know a lot of times it is hard to find the time to clean up our house, but it's amazing what we could get done in just 10 minutes time. So today that's what we're doing. My kids are both down for a nap and I'm gonna use this opportunity to just neaten up. So I guess we could call this a 10-minute tidy up. I'm gonna do the kitchen. We have dishes and some toys and just miscellaneous items that need to be neatened up, as well as the floors need to be vacuumed and the countertops need to be wiped down. I'm gonna start by neatening up the countertops and putting things away from lunch.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head.
I don't know about you, but I'm very happy that it is April. March was the strangest month for us, and it took us a really long time to just get on a schedule. We are used to being at home because we work from home, and my kids are not yet in school. But for some reason, we still were totally thrown off by the stay-at-home ordinance, and we had to figure out things to entertain the kids that kept us close to home. Typically what we would do when the kids were getting antsy and needed to get out is we would take them to a store or the park or the aquarium, things like that. But obviously we can't do those types of activities these days. So it took us a long time to get adjusted, but I think we've finally found our groove. I feel like April's gonna be our best month yet because I have put in the effort to get us on more of a routine. My morning routine is so much better. I definitely need to do a video updating you guys on my personal routine before I even come downstairs in the morning. It's a game changer and it totally sets the mood for my entire day. And then I did recently share our nighttime routine during lockdown. So if you guys haven't seen that video yet, definitely go check it out.
Be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
Now I'm gonna unload the dishwasher. We actually run the dishwasher every night before we go to bed, and that's so nice because the next morning we wake up to clean dishes and all we have to do is unload them. Now that we eat 100% of our meals at home, it's kind of interesting to see how many dirty dishes we now have compared to when we would eat out. It also is pretty eye-opening because it shows us just how often we used to eat out.
Take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody.
I would love to hear what you guys are doing to keep you and your kids entertained during this strange time in our lives. I definitely am always looking for ideas to keep busy little Emerson entertained, and the same with my 1-year-old Oakley. So comment down below and let me know some of the things that you guys are doing to keep yourselves entertained while indoors or close to home.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile.
I like to scrub out my sink once a day. It does not take very long at all, and there's no better feeling than having a clean sink. So what I use to wash my sink is usually just some dish soap, and I use dish soap from Young Living. I love it. It works amazing, and it's totally safe and non-toxic, which is what you want since you're washing your dishes, and no matter how well you rinse your dishes, there's gonna be a little bit of soap residue left on your dishes. And so you wanna make sure that what you're using is not gonna harm you to ingest a little bit of it. Another cool fact is on the bottle, it says, if ingested or if swallowed, drink water to dilute. It doesn't say call poison control or anything. So if my kids ever got into the dish soap and ate it for whatever reason, I wouldn't have to worry about it.
I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay there for a while.
Also, to clean my countertops, I'm using the Thieves Household Cleaner Concentrate. You guys have seen me use this for a long time now. It's by far my favorite. I get a lot of questions if this is antibacterial, and I encourage you guys to look up the power of clove essential oil. This household cleaner concentrate has clove essential oil in it, and I think when you look up the power of clove, it will answer your question.
You know,
Now I'm moving on to the living room, and there's not a whole lot that needs to be done in here, but I am gonna tidy up and put away some of the toys. We don't tend to keep a lot of toys in the living room, and that's for a reason. If we were to keep a lot of toys here, they would end up all over the living room, and we would constantly be dealing with a mess. So we keep just a few toys up here, and the rest we keep down in the playroom, which is our basement.
it was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day.
This vacuum cleaner that I'm using is an LG vacuum, and I have it linked in my Amazon storefront if you guys want to check it out. But it's by far our favorite vacuum cleaner, and we've tried several different brands. But this one is super powerful, and it also has 2 batteries that run for 40 minutes each. So while you're using one, you can charge the other one, and I never end up out of battery power. And I can vacuum pretty much my whole house at one time.
See the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me, and days turned into nights.
So now I'm upstairs, and the last thing I'm gonna do today during this quick tidy up is to fold a load of laundry. This might actually be 2 loads of laundry, I'm not sure, but there's always laundry to be folded. As a part of my morning routine, before I come downstairs now, I throw in a load of laundry. So that's why we always have at least 1 load of laundry to fold. I'll either fold this load of laundry during the day while the kids are napping, or I'll wait until nighttime, and before I go to bed, I'll quickly fold that load of laundry and put it all away. And that system seems to work pretty good for me. that is gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. I hope that you were able to clean alongside me and that this video provided you with lots of cleaning motivation. I know times are strange right now, but if we can take 10 minutes a day just to tidy things up, I think you guys will be very happy with yourselves. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. You can also follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.